All right, so this is what I need you to do here is right away, and it's searching for the Black Friday deals for BJ's. So we'll click on here. Now, um, these are all the Black Friday prices. However, we're not going to um, give us the price for everything because, for instance, like this is too big. TVs would be too big. However, this would be one you might want to look at. So let's take a look at this. Uh, well, it's saying it's on page 21. So, so like this you would skip, this you would skip. Um, this one, you could look at this one. So what you would do is, it's saying to go to page 45. So let me just do this where I'm looking manually. So nothing is on this page. So this one would be right here. So what you need to do is, because if you click on this, um, well, let's see here. All right, so now you have, so it's saying it's 119.99 now. Um, however, okay, so that's what you need to put it. So you're going to give me the UPC, and then all right. So I don't really see the UPC here. You have to look for it, and then if you don't find it, then we have to see if we can find this on Amazon. So so you have to basically find the same one. But let me show you another one, okay? Because so these TVs you can skip. Anything that's big you can skip because it's going to be too expensive to ship. Okay, so here's one right here. So on this knife set here, if you click on this, it won't give it to you. So what you need to do is you need to, the easiest thing to do is just get the item number 194353, and then there you are. See, now it shows here it's 149.99. However, if you look here, it says 67.99. So that's the price you would give us because that's the sale price. We don't want the price that it is now on BJ's. We want the price that it's going to be for Black Friday. Um, and just and then when you come here, you just have to um, find me the UPC. And then there it is there. If you can't find the UPC, then you need to try to find the product. And then if you find the product, then and you get the ASIN, then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go here and then to add a product and then put the ASIN here and then it'll give you the UPC on the next page. So essentially what you're doing is you're just going through these products to try to find them. Like most of these right here will all be too big. I'd say, pretty much anything bigger than a microwave, you would exclude. So pretty much all of these would be excluded. However, if you see like a big amount off, like on this one that's $1,000 off, I would do that one. This one right here, it will fold up so it can go, so you could do that one. This one's going to be too big. That's probably going to be too big. However, that little thing might fold over, so maybe you want to try that one as well. This one I couldn't find when I tried to type it in manually. Well, let's see here. You got the item number 157272. And it gives you 3 item numbers. 188488. And then let's try the last one, 193022. So it's not giving it. So then that doesn't give you that. Then you need to manually try to find it on Amazon. I couldn't find it. Let me go to another page here. Oh, this might have taken me to the very beginning. But either way, I hope you get the gist. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.